Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Wynne Jean. If you're new here and if you're returning, hey girl, how you doing? Today, I'm showing you guys how I installed this super pretty and natural curly 13x4 lace front wig. I have not done a lace front in a really long time. I just haven't been in a mood for it, to be honest, but she was calling my name, child. This unit is so pretty to me and I feel like it's still really in line with my style, my vibe. Let me show you my outfit. I have on my little like flowy skirt, giving a little leg, a little crop top with my big curly hair. She looking cute or whatever, but that's not what y'all came here for. So today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever Hair. I'm wearing their 13x4 lace frontal wig in 180% density and 26 inches, but I did cut it a bit, so keep that in mind. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I styled my hair, how I bleached the knot, and everything. So let's go ahead and get into it.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne?
First things first, the hair was super cute right out of the bag. All I had to do was bleach the knots. So I went ahead and put it on my wig head and mixed up some of the kaleidoscope bleach. You can use any bleach, but I like to use one that has a blue or purple tint to it, just so that I don't have to tone the hair afterwards. And I can lift it to like a nice medium blonde that matches my skin tone without having to do too much. I used the kaleidoscope violet bleach. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll go ahead and link it down below for you guys if you want to try to use it to bleach the knots on your wig. And I let everything process for exactly 45 minutes. Actually, I let the little alarm ring for about 5 minutes, so 50 minutes. I let it sit for about 50 minutes. And after that was done, I washed it out and then it was time to tweeze. I've been seeing people use this little trick, so I decided to try it this time and I actually really liked it. So instead of me putting my wig straight onto my wig head and tweezing it that way, I actually put a paper towel under it. That way I can just see a bit clearer what the roots look like, and I know that I'm not over tweezing, which I may have done anyway, but that's neither here nor there. So I'm starting by parting out a section about 1/2 inch wide across the hairline, and then I tweeze behind the hairline just so I don't end up with any bald spots or anything like that. If you want a more in-depth video about how I bleach the knots and tweeze and pluck and customize my wigs, comment down below because I can definitely create that for you guys. But you know, I don't want to bore the people who already know what they're doing. So after I got all that good stuff done, I've tweezed it, I've bleached the knots, and I've detangled it a bit. Now I just want to style it. And at first I was like, let me flat iron the hair because I feel like curly hair looks really pretty and thick and full once you flat iron it. But I was like, let's see what these curls are really talking about. So instead of me doing that, I grabbed some mousse, quite a lot of mousse. I just kind of raked that all throughout the hair. And then once I had the hair nice and saturated and I had finger combed it all through and I knew, you know, the product was everywhere, I went in with these duckbill clips and I kind of just, I'm gonna say reiterated, that's not it. I emphasized the curls that were already around the front with clips. So I placed a clip here, here, and here, and it created this really pretty like princessy face framing vibe. So we did that and I let it air dry, and then it's time to apply. Okay, so I have my wig cap on. I didn't do the bald cap method. I just put on 2 wig caps and I kind of like layered them so that the band was stacking and it was like really opaque. That way I'm hoping it still gives me like the same vibe as the bald cap, but I literally cannot be bothered. I have not worn a wig in so long that I feel like it'll take me forever to actually get it done and like make it right. So I don't trust myself yet, but this is the wig. This is how it came out. It's super pretty and it's pretty much dry. So this is what the curls look like. And as you can see, I cut it really like blunt at the bottom. So I'm hoping that it gives me like a really cute like vintage look. But so far the wig is gorgeous. I'm really excited to put it on. Before I actually start to apply it, I'm gonna cut off a bit of this extra lace. So it's like an extra like 2 inches. I'm gonna cut like half of it off because I do not want it rubbing my eyebrows. Okay, so let's put it on, see what it looks like. I'm really hoping I don't have to hot comb the front because I kind of like the volume that it has, but we'll see what it's given after we start to install it. So this is a little rough try on, so I do like it, and I think that the blunt cut looks perfect. It's giving retro. Let's go ahead and take these clips out so we can see how the top dried. Ooh, it's perfect. So let's flip this back so we can start working on the actual install. So I'm taking my bolt hold. I only want to wear this wig for maybe a day or two because I really need to wash my braids under here. That's the reason why I didn't do the ball cap method. So I'm gonna just take my bold hold glue. This is the original one, the bold hold extreme cream. And I'm gonna just apply one thin layer of this. Okay, so the glue is pretty much dry. Voice sounds scratchy. Okay, so now I'm just going to lay the wig down, and let us pray that I get the placement right, because your girl can't see. Okay, so far so good. I gave myself a little snatch with the glue, but I'm about to tie it down. Where is my scarf? Okay, so I don't want to mess the curls up, so what I'm gonna do is just kind of separate them from the back, because girl, we worked too hard for this little flowy little front situation to go and mess it up. So I separated that hair out, and then I'm gonna just fold my bandana in half and then lay it over my edges. So hopefully this doesn't disrupt the style too much. And then I'm just gonna leave this scarf on for about 10 to 20 minutes. And then when we come back, we can go ahead and cut the lace off. I'm about to tie it tight, honey. I'm about to get myself a whole headache. I have not worn a wig in so long, and I've really been missing it, which is weird because normally I'm in such of a lock mood, but I have been feeling the wigs lately. I don't know what's gotten into me. I think it's because it's hot outside and I like switching up my style in the summer a lot more. In the wintertime, baby, I don't care. She is nice and secure. We'll be back in 20 minutes and hopefully she'll be nice and laid, okay? Nice and seeped in, if you know what I mean, okay? Okay, it's feeling nice and laid. All we have to do is, well, all I have to do, y'all can help me, is to cut off the excess lace. So I'm gonna just kind of clip the hair back. Okay, so I cut the lace off this side and it looks really good so far. When I tell y'all I am so nervous right now, I have not installed a wig in like months. So this is the lace so far. I'm gonna use a little bit of foam because it's a lot of flyaways around my hairline and they are driving me insane. Okay. So this is what the wig looks like with no baby hairs. But I really want to go for that like soft baby hair look, just in case like the wind blows. I like to have a little bit of baby hair. I can't stop touching it because I'm obsessed with the curls. So let's go ahead and try to do the soft baby hairs. I have this little 1/2 inch flat iron, so let me let that get nice and hot. And as you can see, I didn't glue down my ear tabs. I'm actually just gonna tuck them in because I found with dark hair wigs, it kind of looks more natural just to have your natural sideburns. So I only want to do like 1 or 2 swoops. I don't want them to be too dramatic. So I'm only sectioning out a little bit of hair on both sides. And I'm trimming it kind of long. And as you see, I'm kind of dragging my scissors so I don't get a super blunt cut. I want it to look really natural. And then my little baby flat irons are hot. So I'm gonna grab the little section and just curl it. I'm trying to curl it as tight as possible. Oh shit, burnt myself. There we go. There we go. You gotta curl it going out. This is how my little soft baby hair came out. It's my first time and I'll take it because it took me 30 minutes and I really was not planning for that. Okay, so this is the finished look. Got our little soft baby hairs going. I ended up tucking one side behind my ear just so I could kind of show off my face a little bit more, but the hair is absolutely gorgeous. The curls are super soft and defined. It's super curly, so I feel like this kind of looks really natural on me and I really love it. What do you guys think? The wig is wigging, okay? And the little side piece is just giving me all the vibes. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you again to Beauty Forever for working with me. This unit is gorgeous. The link to this unit will be down below in the description bar, so if any of you guys grab it and recreate this look, definitely tag me on Instagram at WynneJean so I can see. I love when you guys show me your work. Like this video if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.